Have you ever been in a situation whereby you saw a design and you fall in love with a font in the design, but you're not sure of the name of that font and you want to use it for your next design project? You asked the owner of the design but couldn't get an answer. Possibly got violence. Worry no more. I'll be showing you today how you can identify any font using this website. Sit back and enjoy the show. Hello and welcome back. This is Omotosho Muiz, the honored designer. And like I said earlier, I'll be showing you how you can search for a font you saw in a design and make use of it for your next design project. So the website you are going to use for this is called whatfontis.com. The link to the website will be available in the description box. So whatfontis.com is the website. There are also other websites that can do this. I prefer this. It's given me an accurate answer. It gives me good answers. So once you go into the website whatfontis.com, so this is the interface of the website, and to start you come here. You say drag and drop your image here to identify your fonts. So we can drag or drop, and if you have the URL you can, and if you don't have that you can just click to what to bring your design. If you're using your phone you can click somewhere around there to bring in your work and what and identify. So to this to do that you can also click on this place. Once you click on it, it will bring out your system's memory or your phone's memory, the directive, and you can just search for your design wherever you save it and you upload. So let me get in my design. I love to use one of this. Let's see. Okay, I choose this. So you just bring in every, you can crop before bringing it in. It's your choice. You can crop and leave all the fonts you want, and you can just bring everything. You'll be able to select the one you want. Once you bring it in, you click on open and wait for it to upload it. You can see these people trying my patience. I should order a sandwich. Just imagine. Okay, now it's back. They are done testing my patience, and thank God did not get me. I will have broken this system, but did not get me. So once you upload, it will bring something like this, showing you where there are fonts. So you see those borderlines showing where there are fonts, highlighting each of them for you to pick. But the reason I'm interested is this: being the biggest, it shows it more that maybe that's what you want. But actually, that's what I actually wanted. But if that's not what you want, you can just, if you're using a system, you can left click and drag. You see it show like like an arrow there. You can just let you know, you can just use it to select that side. You see that once you just left click, it will select that side. So whichever one font you are trying to look for, you can just what you can just choose. Let's choose this. You see you can choose anyone we want. So but we want this, so you left click to choose, and if you are using your phone just click on it, or you drag, you tap and drag to what to highlight that particular one. So since this one the one we want, this fabrics, so you highlight, then you come down and click on next step. I hope they won't test my patience again. This is what we want now. They're actually testing it again. We eventually go. So it has Go to the next place. You optimize. First we upload, second we crop. Now we are going to optimize so that it will be sure of what you want. So here it will ask you to what. Okay, you can optimize to what, to make the text clearer. If the text is not clear, you can just go through that here. But I think this is clear enough. It's not that blind not to see this. Everyone can see this. So I don't think there's anything you want to do here. So this is okay. You can just go to the next step. Okay. So the next page has popped up asking us to crop again. Although if you are using your phone, all this won't be asked. This particular won't be asked. So if you are using your system, that's when you'll be asking these questions. So you can just recrop, and I think we need everything. So I don't think we need to remove anything here. We need every single one since it's a single word. But if it's having two different words with two different fonts, you can crop out the ones you don't need and leave the one you need. So since we have this and this is what you want, click on the next step. Okay. So for the next, they give you a tip on what to do next so that you won't be confused. So you say input 3 to 10 characters. That should be enough. So if you're having number of words, number of alphabets, 3 alphabets is enough, or at most 10. So that should be enough. It says only letters from the alphabet, A to Z, 1 to 9. So it said you can use only this and not every other one. Maybe your commas and full stop, those ones are not necessary. You either need one A to Z or 1 to 9. It said ignore letters that are glued together. Don't input any. So if letters are glued together like this, maybe all those script fonts that are joined together, ignore them. Don't put anything there. It may confuse the system. You say ignore letters that are cut in half. You can see this one, they are cut in half. Ignore them. So if you understand, you click on I understand. But if you don't understand, it's better you read it again and re-understand so that you don't make mistake. So I think I understood what they said there, so I click on I understand. So now we input. I think this is F. We all know that this is F. Okay, let's make it caps lock as it's in. So A, B, R, I, C, and we have our S. So I think all these are okay. We've typed in as we saw it there. You click on what. So this also you can just click if you want it to display only free fonts that are free for use, and if you want to display with either free fonts or paid fonts, you can just leave it and as you like. So I'm leaving this. So you click on the next step. So now our search is done. So now we have fonts. So this is the first one, Bebas New, which is actually the font. You see, let's check. I don't think I can check that now. I was one that designed that, and I remember using Bebas New. I used that particular font. So you see, Bebas New bold. I don't need all this. You see, you can see Bebas New. So these are the fonts. See, this one looks a little bit like it, so that's why it's bringing it out. But the major one we need is what Bebas New, which is the first one. You can see it's exactly like what we uploaded. So these are other related fonts that looks like it. This also looks like it. So it's going to bring out for you related fonts or the exact font or related fonts. So it's going to bring it out for you, and it's going to give you examples how it looks like. See, in caps, in small letter, and numbers and the symbols. So it's going to bring everything out for you to see, and some of them you can download right on this one. So the free one for personal you can download right on this website, and if perhaps you want to download the paid one from the free website, you can just check the name and go and search it somewhere else and download to your phone or your computer for usage. So that's how to identify any fonts that you like and you want to use for your next design. So I want to urge you to stop asking under a post on Facebook or Instagram that what font do you use to write what font do you use to write happy, what font do you use to write birthday. No, stop asking. Try to research yourself. Stop trying to be spoon fed. Try to work on your own, and that will also what enlarge your course of reasoning, enlarge your creativity, and make you see new things. Even that particular font that you think that this font will do the work perfectly, by the time you are researching, you see a better one. But once you are just asking what font is this, what font is this, what font is this, it might be stuck into using one. Perhaps it's fine on that person's design, but on your design it won't work well. It may not work well, but because you like it, it's beautiful, it's this, is that, you also want to use it on your design. No, try to what? Be unique, try to be different and create something great from your own creativity, your own imagination. It will help you to what? Stand out and create great designs. So I think I've answered that question of how can I get a font that I like and use for my design. So this is the method. It's not that hard. Just go to the website whatfontis.com and you will get that. So I believed we've gained something from this tutorial today. If you've actually gained something, go down to the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, turn on post notification, and share to everyone. I believe that you've gained a lot of value in today's video, so I hope in subsequent videos you gain more value. So till next time we meet, peace. Thank you.